Today is Tuesday and I'm getting ready for work with what I have in my closet. So this is the outfit. Do you guys remember this trouser that I talked about the last time that the waistline was a bit big? Yeah, I adjust it. I adjust the waistline. Now the waistline fit perfectly. I also adjusted some couple of trousers I also have, and yeah, I'm kind of happy. I still do have some few that I still have to do. Just that laziness is not laziness, but like I'm a bit tired. I'm a bit tired, so I'm taking a break from now. But very soon I will definitely go back behind the sewing machine and do the magic. I love it. It feels so good and it sits so perfectly. I don't need a belt anymore, and everything just looks so smooth, and I love it. So yeah, this is the outfit. Just something casual, something simple, but at the same time, looking put together is is a gold. Just to look. And I'm loving my natural hair. Woo! I'm loving my natural hair so much. This weather, this is the best. This is actually the best. For me, actually, I feel comfortable with my natural hair in any stage it is, whether long, short, bald, whether I have a wig on or don't have a wig on. I love my natural hair. So when people see me wear a wig, they be like, "Oh, you wear a wig all the time." No, I don't. I don't wear a wig because I don't like my natural hair. No, I wear a wig because sometimes I just don't want to deal with my natural hair. Sometimes I just want to have a different look. I want to have a different, different switch. So yeah, but I definitely love my natural hair so much. I have two daughters, so definitely I have to teach them to love their natural hair, and they know that I love my natural hair. Just that I love to experiment. I love to experiment. I get bored. I get like bored very quick with certain things. So that's why with my natural hair, I'm always in the mood of cutting it off because yeah, when you have it like this for so long, it get bored for me, it get boring, and then either I want to cut it off or wear a wig or relax it and this and that. But my natural hair can grow. My natural hair grows. Oh, this hand cream is it finished? Let's open a new one. Okay, I still have a little bit. But now my natural hair grows really, really fast. And also now because I'm not doing a lot of braids, not those tight braids, my edges is much more better right now compared to then when I was braiding my hair so tightly. My edges used to just scream for help. Now it's better. Now it's actually better. I got this on my hands, so slippery because I have a cream on my hand. I got this brow essence brow gel from the creators. I saw a video on this. I saw a video on TikTok. Someone talked about it. They were like, "Oh, this is really really good." So I decided to pick it up, and it was very very affordable. Honestly speaking, when you use this on your brow stays the whole day in place, and that's one thing I love about it. Affordable, nice. Oh my stomach, really looks so cute. I like it. So this is almost finished. I also took out this one. So when this is finished, we finish this one. I'm gonna try to finish all the perfume that I have. Let's just finish everything because now there are a few perfume that I want to have for my everyday, but now I have a lot, and I want to niche down to two everyday perfume, and then maybe two or three to go out, and I already have those ones. But now I have so much. I'm just trying to niche down to the ones that I know that have it. Just want to have the finish. Nah, too bad. Take the Sol de Janeiro 62 and I put it on my hair. Keeps your hair fresh and good. If you sneeze 3 times, something's about to happen. I don't know what's about to happen, but I hope hopefully it's a good thing. I've already taken my medication, so I don't need that. Yesterday I didn't change the bag because I know I was going to wear something white, and I said, let me just go with this bag to work. It's a really nice bag. I love it. It's really decent. So yeah, it's impressed. This is the oh my nose. Now my allergy is just over. This is the outfit look of the day. I'm getting ready for work. This is the work outfit. Nothing special. Just work and still look put together. I really like dressing up like this. This is not like really dress up, but I love looking presentable even when I don't have makeup on. I just love it, and I love how my skin is glowing. I finished my fourth bottle of the Anwar serum today. I wanted to pick one up, but I thought, I want to try something new right now. I want to try the Estee Lauder Night Repair something. I don't know the name of it, but I picked up some stuff from Estee Lauder, and I want to give those a try. So that's the reason why I didn't purchase this one anymore. But I also have this Elf's Night Serum. I use it more like a blue elf something. I use it at night more. I really love this, and I also have this one, jojoba oil, which I also love to rub on my skin and just leave it on. So yeah, but I picked something new, which I am very happy and excited for it to come today, and so I can start trying it out. I also pick up this thing. A friend of mine said it's good to remove makeup. But you guys know I love to use oil to remove my makeup, so this micellar water, yeah. So I don't know. But yeah, this is the outfit look of the day. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer het echt. Tim Fles. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Doei.